Well, I've been in the Forex trading business since 1989. I actually started out my trading career a bit before that in stocks, but the firm I was trading for went bankrupt and I had to start looking for a new job. Since trading was, and still is of course, my life, I couldn't see myself doing anything else, no matter what. Stocks, futures, options, Forex.
I've been involved in the FX industry since 1991. I began as a long-term analyst, well, as an apprentice. I then slowly moved up in the firm and got to the point where I was involved in the design and implementation of profitable Forex systems. I can still remember how complicated things were back then without the advanced computer systems doing the job they do today.
After looking for about 6 months, I finally landed a job in the Forex department of a medium-sized bank. Now, Forex has always been my passion. I really can't tell you why, but as soon as I started dealing with the market, I instantly fell in love with it. Sort of like, this is what I was meant to do in life. Anyway, I learned a lot by being immersed in the market day in and day out. You really do learn a lot from working in a bank's currency trading room. Boy, the action there is off the scale, pure adrenaline. A few years later, I moved to another bank, a bigger commercial bank where I really got to see what the big boys were doing and how they were doing it. And that's what actually opened my eyes to how the big dogs make the money they make, the systems they use, and how they design them.
Oh yeah, I can totally relate to that. It's amazing how much you can learn from professional currency traders when you're starting out. I was real lucky to have a great mentor right from the get-go. His name was James Bilkin, and in my opinion, he was, and still is, the greatest currency trader of our time. James taught me most of what I know about Forex trading, and I owe him big time. Well, just to give you an idea, one of the systems he taught me, which Forex MegaDroid is based on, bagged an average of 493% yearly profit every single year from 1999 to date.
I got to know Albert because the banks we worked for had a business relationship. We hit it off right away, didn't we?
Yeah, we sure did.
And you see, when two guys who are into Forex full-time meet, the only thing they can talk about is Forex. It's totally addictive.
Yeah, I'd say addictive is pretty close. Over the years, we've always talked about doing something together, but you know how it is. With so much work flying around, we had a tough time starting a mutual project.
I think that Albert and I always knew that our combined experience in the Forex market, our great chemistry, and our workaholic attitude would let us come up with something great, never seen before.
No doubt about it. Two minds work better than one, especially when they complement each other.
When was it we started working on the Forex MegaDroid? September 2007?
Nope, it was earlier than that, July 2007, I think. By September, we already had the basis of the strategy that Forex MegaDroid was going to be built on.
We had so many concepts in mind when trying to decide what to base Forex MegaDroid's strategy on. Of course, there was a common thread to all the approaches. The system had to be robust enough to withstand every single type of market condition.
You see, the key to building a very profitable Forex robot is making sure it's not restricted to one type of market condition. In other words, trending or ranging. Every Forex robot we looked at had that exact problem. It performs well when market conditions are optimal, but gives back all the profits when market behavior changes.
It was quite a big challenge to overcome this problem of market behavior change. I can certainly say that my years of trading around the clock and seeing how the market reacts and behaves, literally minute by minute, really helped a lot in understanding what had to be done here.
The breakthrough came when we applied what we call reverse correlated price and time analysis, or RCTPA, to our development process. Both John and I worked on similar concepts back in our trading room days, but after a lot of effort, we pushed the concept much further forward.
Yeah, we didn't develop just a strategy, and I guess that's what's most important to understand. We developed a whole new approach to Forex trading and integrated it into a fully automatic robot. I think our 38 years of trading experience has really allowed us to push the boundaries in terms of robot development.
Oh yeah, though push the boundaries is an understatement.
We've really taken it upon ourselves to bring the Forex industry something that will change the lives of many traders. But more than that, something that will reshape how many people view Forex.
I just want to add something regarding reverse correlated price and time analysis. The key to this new and extremely profitable trading method is that it accurately sees what will happen in the market over the next 2 to 4 hours rather than what happened in the market 2 to 4 hours ago. That's what most robots do, and obviously that's the reason they don't perform well.
Definitely. The keys to breaking a new frontier in Forex trading are being able to A, accurately forecast what will happen in the very near future, and B, code that logic into an automatic robot so the user doesn't have to think, make judgment calls, or do anything.